Hi, this is Dr. Michael Guadagnino, chiropractic physician from Ramsey, New Jersey. Still answering questions. Next question is, what makes that cracking sound? And I've heard it explained 3 different ways recently, so I thought it might be best to explain it myself. The first thing it was explained, it was a scientist who was on television talking about chiropractic, and she had no idea what the cracking sound was, and she basically so much said so. The second thing is I've heard from a patient who said their medical doctors told them that it was the sound of bones grinding together. If anybody's had a problem with a knee or anything else where it's been bone on bone, they know that a grinding type of sensation is extremely painful and would not make that type of noise. The third thing is it's been explained in a very simplistic way as nitrogen bubbling out of solution, which again is very simplistic. But to understand what actually makes that cracking sound, you have to kind of understand what we do with the manipulation or an adjustment. So what happens is you have 2 bones that are, when they come together, they form a joint. And in the case of like a spinal joint, it forms what's called an apophyseal joint, which is a pressure-filled sac. When you have the manipulation or the mobilization or the adjustment, what happens is that that pressure in that sac is changed. The permeability of that sac changes, and it allows the pressure from the inside and the outside to meet each other. So like thunder, a clap is formed when 2 masses of different types of pressure meet each other. And that creates that cracking sound. It's very basic physics, but it's nothing more than just the sound of 2 pressure masses when they meet each other. In another video, I'm going to explain the very scientific answer to what an adjustment is, what happens to the spinal joint when it is adjusted, and the effects it has on the body. So until then, this is Dr. Guadagnino wishing you a great day, and we'll talk soon.